Due to its geographical location, Thailand has climate, soil, and water suitable for being a remarkable agricultural country. And one of the main factors that has made Thai culture and Thai food so well respected in many parts of the world is the unique excellence of agricultural products. Thai rubber is globally recognized for its high quality. Undeniably, Thailand's rubber species yield top-notch latex. This is due to the perfect combination of Thailand's terrain and climate, which is ideal for the growth of rubber trees. And with the Thai local wisdom of rubber tapping that has been passed down from generation to generation, it becomes a way of life that creates a career and elevates to the regional processing industry. At Quatex, we aim to develop and advance innovations of rubber agriculture. This is to offer the highest quality sleep products from natural Thai latex. Together with continuous design development, Quatex products provide excellence in ergonomics and relaxation. We offer a variety of products to reach customers with diverse needs and tastes, such as mattress topper, latex pillow, and cushions. Moreover, we work with national research institutes to create our various sleep products that support the body correctly according to ergonomic principles in order to deliver special relaxing moments and balanced quality sleep. At the Quatex Exhibition Center, our Sleep Museum zone portrays the history of sleep and the brand's acquired knowledge to provide a unique experience for visitors through modern light, color, and sound techniques. Quatex, the innovative rubber sleep products from Thailand for the best quality sleep. Quatex and La Galleria are ready to provide a full range of services, including tax refund, product warranty, and door-to-door delivery. We are at your service at Quatex Flagship Phuket and Quatex at La Galleria Pattaya.